One of the people that I follow is the Peace Pilgrim, who's in spirit. And the Peace Pilgrim taught this tremendous lesson that there is no external peace until we all have internal peace. And so she focused on helping people find ways to find internal peace. And I loved this daily word saying, we are affirming peace for every person, every faith, every community, every nation, every religion, that all those separations fall when we focus on peace. And so today, as we focus on the idea of peace in the world, we're going to enter the silence inside each of us and focus on the peace in the world, starting here. So if you'll take a moment, take a deep breath. And as you feel comfortable, allow your eyes to close. Let any tension in your shoulders or anywhere else in your body leave. And for this moment, we're going to enter the silence. Inside each of us, there is a holy place, an altar. Some people see it as a field of flowers. Sometimes I see it as my granny's kitchen table, where she made cocoa. Whatever you can see inside you, in your mind's eye, in your heart, a place of peace. Maybe it's a favorite place where you meditate. Maybe it's a place where you pray. Go there. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out. Let's do that again. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out. And one more time, breathe in deeply. Breathe out. There's a place of peace for all of us, no matter what we've done, no matter what we've experienced. In that place of peace, we let go of our expectations. We let go of our fears. In that place of peace, we meet and connect with our divine inner guide. We connect with our divine inner guide, our higher self. And as you breathe in again, from that place of peace, you can now look at the world around you as a part of that peace, and so it is.